All right, guys, let's talk about a little SEO tool and trick, little hidden gem here that you can use to check out your competition. And we're going to take a look at it right here. It's called GMB Everywhere. This is a cool little tool. If you're trying to do some things in-house on your own, this is a cheap tool. And it's going to do exactly what it's showing you right here. It's going to take and it's going to show you what categories your competition is in. And why is this important? Okay, well, let's take a look at this and why it's important. All right, you see this image right here? Okay, this would, if this is not set right, this would indicate that this might be the contractor's home and office. Okay, well, Google does not allow that. So now we know if the contractor lives there, we can get this out of the local pack. Google will take it down. You just have to fill out a ticket to Google, and typically within a week they'll get it down. They're doing much better about that now. So next, you just go in and you may have to do a drive-by and verify that is or is not, but it's very important because if they're above you in the local pack, you can get them out of there. If they're above you in the local pack and you just have nothing, most roofing contractors have nothing as a category but roofing contractor. Okay, well, do you do siding? Do you do insulation? Do you do skylights? What do you do? I mean, gutters are a little bit of a problem right now with categories in GMB, but other things like insulation, skylights, siding, and things like that are, because if you don't have siding and things on your website and in your categories, Google's not going to know to send them to you. This is where Google learns about you. It's just like all these things over here to verify that things are right. Suite 6. So, all right, are they in Suite 6? So we need to verify this. Your CID number, customer ID number, that has become more important than ever. Everything associated with your account, and every account that Google has, it doesn't matter if it's Google My Business, PPC, LSA, and Google Analytics, Google Search Console, it doesn't matter what it is. They all have what's called a CID number, customer identification number. You need to make sure that you put that in a safe place where it's in the cloud and you can always get your hands on it, because if anything happens to this Google My Business profile, the only way you're going to get that back is with that CID number right there. Right here. If you do not have that, and Google accidentally, and this was a bug that they had back during the summer, accidentally deletes your profile, and I saw it happen to one of my clients. Believe me, it happens. You can get it back with that CID number, but at the time nobody was copying those down back in that day. But that's become really important. So these are the things that you need to take screenshots of this. You need to put this in notes. You need to put it in Word docs, and you need to save it in multiple locations, because I can't stress how important that is, and how important this right here is to get in the local pack with your competition, because this can make a slight difference right here. You can also do basic audit reports and things like that on your competition around you. So you just do a query, say, all right, well, say we're trying to compete over in Houston, pretty tough market. Roofers New Houston. Okay, well, look right here what this guy's doing: construction, general contractor, bathroom remodeling, and a roofing contractor. But he's leading with roofing, so that means he's doing all these other things as a secondary service. Maybe like gutters and siding for some of you guys. So these are some of the ways that you can check all these out. Come over here and click through and check all these out. So this is a really powerful little cheap tool called GMB Everywhere. You guys leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think of it. But if you're trying to do some of these SEO things on your own, and that's very cool, this is a really good tool for you.